Today, you've been guided to this message for a reason. There's a powerful truth here that's meant for you, a message on self-esteem and self-worth that can transform how you see yourself and your life. Let's look into these ideas and see how you can start accepting self-love and confidence right now. Many women go through life doubting their worth, often placing their value in the hands of others. But if you're here today, something within you is ready to change. This inner voice that led you here is a call to recognize and honor your true self, to step into a life filled with confidence, security, and self-love. If you've ever felt not enough or wondered if you deserve all that life has to offer, know that these feelings are common. Many women carry these doubts, but you don't have to let them define you. Finding this message today is a sign that you're ready to release these old limiting beliefs and step into your true worth. Building self-esteem begins with acknowledging how you feel and letting yourself truly feel it without judgment. The discomfort you might experience when thinking about self-worth is often the starting point for real, lasting change. Accepting where you are now without shame or criticism opens the door to a new level of self-love and understanding. You may notice feelings of resistance as you begin to explore these ideas. Self-doubt, fear, and insecurities might surface, making you question this path. But this is all part of the process. Acknowledging these feelings is crucial because it shows you're ready to work through them rather than avoid them. Have you ever received a compliment but struggled to accept it? This resistance to compliments often reflects deeper doubts about self-worth. By allowing yourself to receive kind words, you practice accepting love and appreciation from others, a simple yet powerful step in building self-esteem. You made me think of the other day. I was hired by this company. It was medical, and they offered me this job, and I was so busy I couldn't tell whether it was an actual, authentic hospital. These are the universe's way of guiding you, confirming that you're supported and on the right path. The practice of self-love is foundational to self-worth. Learning to love yourself means letting go of judgments and accepting yourself fully, flaws and all. This might feel foreign or even selfish, but true self-love is about creating a stable, compassionate relationship with yourself. To support your growth, try practicing daily affirmations that affirm your worth and potential. Simple phrases like, "I am enough," "I am deserving," or "I love and accept myself" can start to reshape your inner dialogue and transform how you see yourself. One important aspect of self-esteem is setting boundaries. Boundaries protect your energy and reinforce your self-worth. Learning to say no without guilt is essential. By honoring your needs, you show yourself that you value who you are and what you need. As you grow in self-worth, you may find that certain relationships or habits no longer serve you. This shift is natural. Surround yourself with those who support and respect you, and allow yourself to release what doesn't align with your growth. Keep in mind that this journey is unique to you. Comparison is a thief of joy and progress, so focus on your own path and be gentle with yourself along the way. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a move toward the life you deserve. Just know that building self-worth is a lifelong process. There will be ups and downs, and that's okay. The fact that you're here, willing to listen and grow, is proof of your strength and readiness. Your inner dialogue shapes how you see yourself. And for many women, self-talk tends to be critical or dismissive. Shifting this inner dialogue is essential for building real, lasting self-worth. Start by noticing the tone of your thoughts about yourself. Are they kind, supportive, or overly critical? Challenge negative thoughts as they arise, replacing them with statements that reflect the way you'd speak to someone you love. Self-talk should uplift, not tear down. Practice shifting your thoughts from "I can't" or "I'm not enough" to "I'm doing my best, I am worthy, and I am growing every day." Affirmations can play a major role in this transformation. By affirming your worth daily, you begin to internalize positive beliefs that counter negative conditioning. Affirmations like "I am proud of myself," "I accept my unique qualities," and "I am strong and capable" remind you of the amazing qualities you possess. Visualization can further reinforce positive self-talk. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living confidently, radiating self-worth. Imagine how your life would feel and look with genuine confidence. This mental practice helps reinforce the belief that you deserve happiness and success. Changing self-talk is a habit that takes time, but each effort brings you closer to a life filled with positivity, self-respect, and empowerment. Over time, you'll notice a growing sense of peace and confidence within. The words "I am" carry immense power in defining your self-worth. When you say "I am," you are making a statement about who you are and who you aspire to be. Start using this phrase intentionally, filling in the blank with qualities that affirm your worth. By using "I am" to affirm positive qualities, you create a new reality for yourself. Words shape your world, and statements like "I am capable," "I am worthy," and "I am enough" allow you to embody those qualities with conviction. Personalize your "I am" statements so they resonate with you deeply. Reflect on qualities you admire in yourself and speak them as truths. These words become anchors, grounding you in self-assurance. Reinforcing these statements daily can have a lasting impact on your sense of self. Over time, they'll strengthen your self-worth and confidence, becoming powerful reminders of who you truly are. When you're grounded in these affirmations, self-doubt becomes quieter. You'll find a new confidence in approaching life's challenges, rooted in a strong belief in yourself. Holding on to limiting beliefs about yourself blocks your growth. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, social conditioning, or self-doubt. Letting go is essential to uncovering your true worth and potential. Identify the beliefs that no longer serve you, whether it's the notion that you're not good enough or that others' opinions define your value. Question these thoughts and ask yourself if they truly reflect who you are or who you want to be. Practical tools like journaling can help you release these beliefs. Write down each limiting thought and then counter it with a truth about yourself, such as "I am capable," "I am deserving of happiness," or "I create my own worth." This process creates space for growth and new possibilities. Healing takes compassion, patience, and understanding. Be gentle with yourself as you release old beliefs, knowing that each step frees you to accept your true worth. As you let go, you'll feel lighter, more aligned with your goals, and more confident in your ability to live authentically. Building self-worth often aligns with discovering your purpose. Purpose isn't necessarily about finding one specific path. It's about making choices that honor who you truly are. By focusing on what brings you joy, you naturally strengthen your self-esteem. Listening to your intuition can be a powerful guide to your purpose. Trusting these feelings, even if they seem subtle, keeps you aligned with what feels right and fulfilling for you. Taking small, meaningful actions helps you connect with purpose each day. Simple steps that feel authentic bring more clarity and joy into your life, grounding you in self-worth and confidence. Accepting purpose also involves trusting the process. Not everything will be clear right away, but staying open and committed to the path will reveal your purpose over time. Living purposefully isn't about grand gestures. It's about consistency in doing things that bring you peace and fulfillment, creating a life that resonates with who you are. Your environment influences how you feel about yourself. Surrounding yourself with positive people and uplifting environments reinforces your self-worth. Seek out relationships that encourage and celebrate who you are. Practicing gratitude daily amplifies this positivity. By focusing on what's going well, you reinforce the belief that you deserve good things. Gratitude keeps you focused on the present, fostering more joy and self-acceptance. Maintaining positive surroundings and a grateful outlook can elevate your sense of worth, attracting more positivity into your life. Growth takes time. Building self-worth is a gradual process, so trust the timing and be patient with yourself. Every small effort is valuable, and each step brings you closer to the life you want. Avoid frustration by staying focused on the present and celebrating your progress. Each small shift in how you see yourself adds up over time, creating lasting change. Knowing that growth is gradual brings peace and confidence as you move forward. This is a journey worth accepting fully. Confidence grows when you validate yourself rather than seeking approval from others. Celebrate your accomplishments, big or small, as proof of your capabilities. This self-recognition strengthens your self-worth. Others will notice your confidence as you become comfortable in your own skin. This inner assurance projects positivity, inspiring those around you. Affirmations like "I am worthy" help build this inner strength daily, reminding you that true validation comes from within. Building self-worth requires consistency. Each small action you take reinforces your growth, keeping you aligned with your goals. Stay motivated by surrounding yourself with positive influences and resources. Consistency strengthens your self-worth, allowing you to see transformation over time. On difficult days, recall that even small efforts contribute to your journey. Keep moving forward with purpose, knowing that every choice brings you closer to a life of self-acceptance and confidence. You've been led here because you're ready to accept your self-worth fully. Every step you take brings you closer to a life filled with confidence and inner peace. To stay updated, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more insights to empower your journey towards self-love and fulfillment.